What's the meaning of Baton Rouge? Baton Rouge. Baton Rouge.
Baton Rouge. Baton Rouge. Baton Rouge is a city located in the southern part of the United States, specifically in the state of Louisiana. The name Baton Rouge comes from French and translates to red stick. It is believed that the name was given by French explorers who saw a red pole marking the boundary between two Native American tribes in the area. Baton Rouge is the capital of Louisiana and is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and unique cuisine. The city is also home to Louisiana State University and Southern University, two prominent institutions of higher learning in the state.